Hello everyone, welcome to the official channel of Excel Design Technologies. Today in this video we are going to design this component using the surface related tool, how we can create the surface, how we can convert that into a thickened body, how we can split the surface. So we are going to talk about different aspects in this particular video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So first, for creating this entire surface, we need to take a base. We need to create a base first. So I'm taking a rectangle command and putting a coordinate value of 0, 0. So it will take a coordinate automatically. Now we need to put a value 180 and use the tab button to manipulate between the dimension and put a value 240. So by this you can easily create a rectangle. Now we need to remove or we need to fillet the corner. So for that you can take a fillet command and use the multiple fillet option and put a fillet of 20 mm so that you can easily create a corner fillet to the rectangle very easily. Now we need to convert this close sketch into a region so that we can create a base surface of the body of the component. So for that we have a command called region command. We can type it in the command line region and select the sketch and press enter. So automatically we have the that sketch is converted into a closed region. Now we need to use the sketch again, but the sketch is not there because it will combine automatically with the surface. So that we can use a quad command or quad menu, and there itself we have this option called create boundaries. So whenever you need to create the boundaries, that time you can use this option. Now go to the structure browser, and there you can see we have the polyline as well as the region which we created. We need to turn this region off, and then we have the polyline which is already available. Now in BricsCAD we have extrude command which is available in the surface as well as in the modeling. And here we need to create the surface, but in modeling section itself, if we want to convert anything through the surface extrusion, we have the option called mode available in the extrude command itself. We need to go to the mode section, and there itself we have solid and surface mode, so we can easily convert that into a surface mode. And now we need to extrude this up to 60 mm distance and at a -40° angle so that we can create the profile very easily. So put the value, press enter, and your profile is done. So our profile is surface is created, and if you want to turn on the region, you just need to go to the structure browser itself, and through the structure browser you can easily turn off the surface or turn on the surface, and as well as if you want to turn off the polyline, you can easily go to the structure browser and click on that, right click on that, and you can hide that particular option. Now these two surfaces are the individual entity. So what we need to do, we need to convert them into a single profile or single surface so that we can do the modification. So in the edit area we have the stitches command. Go to that, select that stitches command, select the surface. Now we have only one surface because the entire surface's body is converted into a single body. Now next step, we need to understand more effectively because we need to rotate the base of this surface. We need to rotate it. So we have a command called DM rotate command. We need to take a DM rotate command, select the surface, and now we need to understand from where you need to rotate the entire model. There only we have to select the axis, and then you can provide a angle value or you can select any snap point up to where you want to rotate the base surface so that entire surface is properly aligned. But you need to understand, don't use directly. Before doing this, you have to use the stitches command, then only use this 3D DM rotate command to rotate the base surface. Now we need to create the handle area, and for that first we need to create a rectangle, or whether we can create it by using the rectangle command, but here we are going to use a polygon command because we need to create a polygon based on the center axis or the center point of the polyline. So you can select a particular option, provide the value of the polygon, like the length of the polygon, number of sides of the polygon. These different things you can provide. And if you want to fix the axis, you just need to use the shift button to fix the axis of this polygon. Now the value of the one line is 30. Put the value and your rectangle or the polygon is created. Now you need to create the extrude command, but right now we don't need to extrude it. We have an option called split the surface. So whenever you are slice the surface, whenever you are creating something and at the same time you want to slice any surface, you need to use the slice option, so that automatically software slice the previous surface. You don't need to do that manually. And here also you can see we have multiple surfaces available. So if you want to delete any particular surface, or if you want to hide any particular surface, you can easily do that. So right now we want to select them and delete them manually. So I'm just selecting it and deleting them manually. Now we need to extrude these edges in a particular direction. So this prioritize selection of edges need to be on, and then we can easily select the edges. Then we need to take extrude command, whether we can select it from the quad menu or whether we can select it from the surface tab. Now the angle of this extrusion is not right, so what we need to do, we need to take a align command. We have this align command available. So select the align command, and there itself we need to give a direction in which direction you need to align this surface. So this direction is x-axis, so you just need to select a x-axis and automatically your alignment is done. Now you just need to put a value of 250 and your the handle of this surface is created. Now what we need to do, we need to close this area. So for that also we can take a extrude command, select this edge up to this snap point. So this is the best way to create the surface in a specific way. And now we don't need to use the stitches command, because the surface is automatically converted into a simple or single surface. Now what we need to do again, we need to apply the fillet on different edges. So whether you can select it manually or you have different selection method. From there you can easily select the fillet option and put a value of 6. So now your fillet is created. Now for the remaining edges also you can select the remaining edges and put a value. Now we need to add some other fillets to these corners or to these edges. You just need to select a value. Like right now, if you selected only one, the only one edge will be filleted. So we need to select all the edges and select after selecting the edges, you can select the fillet command from the quad menu itself and put a value of 25. So this is the best way to create the surface from this DM fillet command, or from the quad menu we can select this option. Now the entire option is created. What we need to do, we need to convert this entire option into a thicken. So we can create a DM thicken command, put a value, and automatically this entire body is converted into a proper uniform thickness. Now we can change the properties of it. So what we need to do, go to the properties section, select the model, and there itself you can change the color or the properties of the model. So by this way we can easily create this entire 3D model inside in the BricsCAD software. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Have a great day.